Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn about Python loops, how the loops are working. So let's get started. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. All right, let's do. I created a file, loops.py, the py. Um, so we're gonna start, for example. At first, we have to read the definition. What's the definition of the loops? For loops are used to iterate over a sequence, for example, list, string, or range of numbers, anything. And they execute a block of code repeatedly for each item in the sequence. For example, I can write fruits equal to I have an array, apple, and I have banana, and I have uh, cherry. All right. So if I want to go iterate inside this array, what I can do is I will use for loop for fruit in fruits. Then we have to do print fruit. Yeah. So now if we do like this, we'll see the result. How we can see the result that you can run, you can go to terminal, new terminal. So we're on the YouTube and you have to go to the Python folder first, cd Python. Now what we can do is we have to write py, then the name of our file. That's loops.py. See, apple, banana, and cherry. So that's how we go iterate or loop inside an array, for example. The other, if you have a number, if you were to write down number, for example, 1 to 10, we can do that too. For example, um, yeah, we can print 1 to 10, for example. So what we can do is we can use for um, I in range. This one is a function that it take two arguments or one argument, doesn't matter. So what we can do is we can write, for example, from 1 to 10. So 10 minus 1, okay? So don't forget this one. And what we can do is print I. So let's run our program. See? So as I told you, 10 minus 1. So it doesn't write 10 from 1 to 10, but it's from 1 to 10 minus 1 in this Python programming. So it sees it says it started from 1 to 9. That's how it works. So if we write down one input, we can do that too. For example, for I in range, this one is a function, so we can write, for example, 5 print I. So same thing in here. Let's run and see. It doesn't work. The reason is because it needs uh, we need the identification, I think. Let's see. Yeah. So it need for we found the reason is we forgot this one actually. Now it have to work. See, it's working now from 0 to 4. So it's always -1. Yeah. So I hope you guys learned something. For please don't forget to subscribe and like or comment, please. Thank you. Have a nice day.